welcome to Storytime Adventures with Miss Tori. I'm Miss Tori, and today is December the 9th. It's getting close to Christmas. And like I told you, we have a new song that we're going to do. It's probably not new to you guys because everybody probably knows Jingle Bells. And make sure you pick up your December packet because it's got your instrument for this month in it. I'm sending you Jingle Bells. And today we are going to sing Jingle Bells, and we're going to be singing Jingle Bells for the next couple weeks. So I know you guys are going to love these. And also in your December packet is going to be the words to Jingle Bells. So we're going to all sing it together. So here we go. Is everybody ready? Go get your bells. And let me switch hands here so I can hold them. And it's actually a little bracelet, okay? So you can put it around your wrist and just wave your hands around. Oh, sleigh bells. Okay, everybody ready? Here we go. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hi everyone, today's story is called I Love You More Than Christmas. This is a new Christmas book here that we got at the library, so why don't you come on down and check it out. But this is what I'm going to read today. I hope you enjoy it. I love you more than Christmas. And I love Christmas. Oh, it's the bears in it. It's got pretty pictures in here too. Oh, look at the presents. Who's ready to start getting Christmas presents ready? I love you more than Christmas. There was a chill in the air and frost on the trees. Something special was on its way. It's almost Christmas, smiled Little Bear, and I love it. Look, they're having fun out there ice skating on the pond. That's so fun. I love wrapping and ribbons and balls of bright string and gift tags and glitter, the joy that they bring. I love giving presents and getting them too. But the thing that I love more than Christmas is, ding dong, it's Mr. Mail Carrier, said Mommy Bear. What will be in her mailbag today? Look, the mail came. Who loves getting mail? I do. It's fun to get mail. It's time to start mailing Christmas cards. Maybe you'll get a Christmas card in the mail. Christmas cards, cheered Little Bear. There's one here from Grandma and Great Auntie Sue. I love cards and packages. Oh, yes, I do. But the thing that I love more than Christmas is I'm home, cried Daddy Bear, stomping through the door. That's the biggest, tallest, greenest tree I've ever seen, gasped Little Bear. So while they wrestled it into the living room, look at that big tree. Oh, and they have their decorations up already. So while they wrestled it into the living room, Mommy Bear scrambled up into the attic to find the decorations, singing as she went. I love ornaments and garland and lights on a string, candy canes, stockings, and all of the things that make Christmas perfect. Oh, yes, I do. But the thing that I love more than Christmas is oh my goodness, Mommy Bear cried when she saw the size of the tree. It really was a whopper. But many paws make light work, and in no time at all, the tree looked spectacular. Well, fluff my fur, sighed Daddy Bear contentedly. What an exceedingly talented family we are. There's just one thing missing. A bright, shiny star, sang Mommy Bear when... Putting the star on. Beep, 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 went the oven. It's the timer, gasped Mommy Bear. It's time to decorate the Christmas cake. All paws to the kitchen. In a flurry of sprinkles and powdered sugar, Daddy Bear exclaimed, I love Christmas cookies and cakes. They're yummy. I feel so happy when they fill up my tummy. I love Christmas goodies. Yes, really, it's true. But the thing that I love more than Christmas is... The Christmas carolers are here, giggled Little Bear, flinging the door open wide to let the sweet music bounce down the hall. We love singing carols. They make us feel jolly. We love bright red berries and pine cones and holly. We bring festive spirit to all that we do. But the thing that we love more than Christmas is... Look at the little animals singing. Cake and hot chocolate, anyone? Mommy Bear called out, rushing out from the kitchen. Yes, please, cheered the carolers, and they skipped merrily inside. Oh, that's so nice to invite the carolers in for a Christmas snack. I bet they were getting cold out there singing. Well, the bears and the carolers had such a ball, but suddenly somebody called from the hall. It's getting dark and it's starting to snow, so I think that it's time that we all should go. Daddy Bear had just shut the door when, bong, the clock struck bedtime. So Mommy Bear lifted Little Bear onto her back and they climbed up the stairs. Bedtime, where they all got ready for bed. Mommy and Daddy, yawned Little Bear, I love, love, love Christmas. All the happiness, laughter, friends old and new, the sleigh bells and reindeer and Santa Claus too. But the thing that I love more than Christmas is... You, laughed Mommy Bear and Daddy Bear, giving Little Bear a great big hug. Because as everyone knows, the gift of Christmas is only as wonderful as the love that it's wrapped in. Merry Christmas, everyone. Oh, such a good little book. I hope you enjoyed that. Hey everybody, for today's activity, we are going to do I'm going to make for you a really fun, healthy, sweet Christmas snack. Who doesn't love Christmas snacks? And these are really easy, and you can help Mom and Dad make these. They're really fun to make. And this is what I have right here. These little Santa Clauses with strawberries and bananas. Look at this. I haven't tried one yet. I've just been making some. So I'm going to show you how to make them. All you're going to need is some bananas and some strawberries and some sprinkles. I actually got these. I think they were left over from Halloween. But you can get chocolate sprinkles for the eyes like I did. And you're going to need red M&Ms. I found this at Walmart. It's just $1. It's got red and green M&Ms in it. And you're going to need little teeny marshmallows. And you're going to need, I just got these lollipop sticks. Right here, lollipop sticks. But you could use, I I would suggest these because a toothpick is probably not going to be, it's not going to be big enough. So what we're going to do is we're going to, and I've made 3 of these already, so 1 banana will actually make 4 of these really cool snacks. So I'm going to put this over here. And so I have made 3 of them already, and I just cut them. This is a butter knife. It's not a sharp knife. So if you wanted to help out with Mom and Dad, you can, but just make sure you have supervision. And I'm going to take, the first thing you're going to put on is the top of his hat, which is the little marshmallow. So we're going to just stick it on there, and it's going to stay. You don't have to push it down all the way. And then we're going to just cut the top off of a strawberry. I'm going to use this one right here. So you're just going to, and I just used a butter knife, I didn't use a sharp knife. Up here where the green is, you're just going to cut it flat right up here at the top. So that's going to be his hat. And you're going to stick, you're going to stick the popsicle stick straight through the strawberry, just like that, and slide it up to the marshmallow, and there's his hat. And now for his face, just a banana that I cut, and you're just going to stick it right through the middle there and shove it up there, and there's his hat. And for the eyes, you're going to use those brown sprinkles, or if you have any other color sprinkles, you can even make his eyes, you can make them white, or since Santa Claus has white eyebrows, or you can use, these are black, so I'm just going to use these so you can see better. And I'm just going to stick them right on there. They just kind of stick, you just kind of push them in a little bit. Like that. There's his eyes. And we're going to get a red M&M for his nose, because he has a jolly red nose. And we're just going to push it right down here. And look, you have Mr. Santa Claus, and he's a snack. You can eat him. And it's really good. I'm going to eat him later because he looks cute. And that's a really fun snack you can make for Christmas. Like I said, get Mom and Dad's help, but I thought these were really cute, so I thought I'd show you guys how to make them. And if you do make these, send us a picture, and we'd love to see it. And I hope you enjoyed that, and we'll be back with more next week. Thank you.